Hello viewers, I'm Coding Maverick and today's video I will show you how to integrate Google Sign-in in your Flutter application. So let's start. First of all, we will create Flutter project using Android Studio. Now change the default code with the basic Google Auth code I have provided in the description. Don't forget to add dependency in pub/spec file about Google Sign-in package. Now we will create Google Auth project in Firebase and link it with our code through project package ID and SHA-1 certificate. Now create a key store file using the command key tool generate key pair. Then find the SHA-1 certificate using the key tool list command. Now click the sign in with Google button to connect with the Google login. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For latest videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel Coding Maverick. This is Coding Maverick and today we will learn how to add data to a Firestore from Flutter app. So let's start. We will start by creating a new Flutter project through Android Studio. We'll create a login page in Flutter. We'll perform the basic configuration on the Flutter side, including how to register a Flutter app with Firebase console. Then we will configure Android specific build settings. We'll add the essential Firebase packages in the Flutter application and we will initialize the Firebase. We will insert and save the data directly from Flutter app, providing you a clear beginner friendly pathway to get your Flutter app fully connected with Firebase. So viewers, let's start coding. Let's create a project Coding Maverick demo. This is the main function of the Flutter app. We will initialize the Firebase over here. Before that, we will import the desired Firebase packages in import section. We will create a new Flutter page with the name add user page.dart. I have already created a code for add user with the 2 text boxes for email and password with the button for saving the data. I have just pasted that code inside the Flutter page. It has main function add user which will save the data to Firebase and it will be called through an elevated button named add user. I will import this page in my main page and will call it in place of add home page. But before that, we have to add the dependency in pubspec.yml for both Firebase_core package and cloud_firestore package. Now we will perform Android based build settings. For this purpose, we will go into Android app package build.gradle file. In this file, at the end we will apply plugin com.google.gms.google-services. Now we will go in the Android root package and in that build.gradle file we will make sure the dependencies of existence for both Android tools and Google GMS Google services. Now we will register Flutter app with the Firebase console. In this console we will also create the Firebase project. The name of both projects may be same or different. We will select the type of the app. In our case it's Android app. We will give it the package name. The package name is the same mentioned in our Android app build.gradle file. The app name we may be copied from the pubspec.yml file. Then we will download the Google services.json file and we'll paste it in Android app folder. Now we will go in project shortcuts in Firebase console and over here we will select Firestore database and we will click on the create database. We will select the start in test mode and click the create database button. Now we will go to Google Cloud API and services portion and enable the Cloud Firestore API. In the add user function, we will create a collection users and in that users collection we will create user details like name, email and created add values with the timestamp. We run the application and we add the data with the name and email and click the add button. You can see on the Firebase console there's a users collection and in that collection there's a document and inside each document there's a detail of the user like name, email and created ad. Using this way you can insert and retrieve the data from Firestore into your Flutter app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.